G'day guys, welcome back to the show. Today I'm bass fishing with Bailey.
Where we going?
And we're doing cicada versus frog. I'm using the frog, the soft plastic frog, and Bailey's using a cicada, a hard body. His has got trebles, mine's got a weedless hook. And yeah, we're just doing a competition, I guess, fishing this Australian stream. And it's a storm right now. It's really hot today, but it's starting to cool down. A southerly's coming through, and they usually bite pretty well before a storm. Hopefully we can catch a few fish and see which one's gonna win. Anyway, wish me luck, don't wish Bailey luck, because I want to win this one. Yeah, fingers crossed. Ew. Oh, hit. He's hitting it. That's 2 hits. They're hungry. First cast.
Yep, on. Go on.
Good one. Oh, it's about the hook, spewing. Yep, on.
Where you going?
Straight after you. Grab the net. He's only a little fella. Oh, he's spat the hook too. 0-0. I reckon we spooked him then. This is first spot we actually threw lures in. So I mean, you can't really complain with that. On the cicada and the frog, they supposed to... Oh, there's fishy. They're all tiny, but... There's one following it. Look at this. Yeah, look at it. There's 2. How sick is that? This is fishing. Hit it hard, that one. Oh, I saw that come out. Oh, look. Big one.
Yep, got it.
I saw that.
Got a net?
Oh, it's tiny. Is there another one there?
Yeah, there's a little one there.
Haha, that's sick.
Got a net?
I was just about to cast the frog. Cast this cicada.
Cicada 1-0, almost.
I'll just bring up. First bass of the day on the cicada. That's 1-0.
1-0, Harry.
Little Australian bass. All right, we'll send him back. 1-0. Anyway, I've got to catch up.
See you, bud.
Oh, he's going. He's gonna go. Oh, here's a good one too. Jesus. Bass fishing in a storm, change the title. That was a good bass though. What? Oh, yo!
Oh, yep.
That's a good one. Yep. Good one. Get in the net. Extend it. How's that run? Go down. Come down here. Oh my God. Look at the frog. Look how far. Oh, he broke it on the log. Broke it on the log, on the braid as well. Meek. I fucking hate fishing.
Get the net, it's huge. Holy crap. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, Harry. It's right there. It's gonna get me on the snag. Holy cow. 2-0, baby. That is a donkey.
Nice. Bailey with a stonker bass. It's close to 50, I reckon. Exactly where I caught my PB, right here. Came out, hit the cicada 2-0. and one sad man because I lost a stonker. Anyway, we're just gonna keep fishing this bank and then we might cross and walk back that way maybe. But yeah, there's plenty of fish today, so fingers crossed we can get some more.
There he goes. That like big hole. Someone's like stacked rock.
Oh, right. Oh, yep, yep. Dropped it. That wasn't that big. Oh, look at it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be helping you.
I helped you, mate.
What's your?
Oh, yes, 2-1. He's on the comeback. Not a massive one, but he whacked that twice.
Right at chubby on this. Look at all the little ones on it as well. Here you go.
Oh, how's the size of that thing?
Holy crap.
That was a
Holy
donkey.
crap. Look at all of them.
Right cast too.
There's so many.
Again.
Oh, it's got. Yep, on. Nice little bass. Three one. There we go, another little Aussie bass. 3-1, I'm winning on the cicada. Put it back.
The worst thing about the weedless hook is they don't hook up very well. Like if I had a treble, every hit probably would have hooked up, but then you don't get that kind of protection if you cast it into a tree, which I kind of need. You kind of need them just to woof it. Like a big hit. If they swipe it, you're really not going to hook up. Last cast. You know something's up. What's he hitting? Yep, yep. Damn it. You stick. This guy hit it like 20 times every cast, kept hitting it. And it wasn't until another one came and hit it where he actually woofed it. Not a bad one, 30. On the frog, we'll send him back. That was an effort trying to get him. My GoPro actually died just after we hooked up. See you, mate. There he goes.
Yeah, no, it's only tiny. Well, it's a bit bigger than the other ones. Another bass. Harry just lost one. That's 4-2. Send her home.
Yep, yep, good. Yep. Oh, it was a big hit. I don't know if it's that big. He boofed it. Oh, he boofed that so hard. It's not even that big. This is why Australian bass is targeted by so many people. A small fish like that, not even 30 centimeters, just whacked that so hard. Get him straight back in the water. You can sense the water, little fella. There he goes.
Oh, here we go. Yep, on. Oh, big. Big. Come on, get out. We'll get the good camera. It's a good one. Oh, it's just hooked. Yeah, net. Sweet.
I think that's number 6, so it's number 5, I forget, but yeah, on the cicada. Beautiful little spot here. I'm saying it's number 6, but Bailey reckons it's number 5, but we did kind of
I'll take
forget.
6.
Anyway, chuck him back, that's a good one. Second biggest of the day.
There he goes.
Yep, little one. Yep, only tiny. He hit that so hard. Scoff that. On the frog. Little Australian bass on the frog. When they actually eat it properly, they hook up really well. Straight out like that. On the Zodius and Sustain. Perfect little trout and bass setup. Send this guy back. Down he goes. I don't know how many of that, 12 I think maybe, but yeah, plenty of fish. Whew.
Oh, yep. Oh. It's only tiny. And as soon as it hit the water. Oh, it's not that small, eh? There we go, number 6 or 7. Yep. Oh.
Hey? That seemed alright, eh? Yep. Oh. Do it in the net. You just took my fish, this doesn't count. Do it in the net. Oh, that's heaps good. That's heaps good. Damn it, you should have buffed mine harder. Spewing. That's an epic one.
Another nice bat.
Leave it on that. Oh, that was a stonker. You see, he came out of the water. Oh. He's decent.
Oh, he's on the log. He's on the log.
Yeah, I see him. Shit.
He's out.
Surely you got that. This counts as caught right now, so.
Go touch it.
I'll touch it. Oh, that's a stonker on the frog. Get a photo of that. That is what you call an Australian bass. That's close to 50, I reckon. We don't. Oh, we have a brag mat, but it's over on the bank, so we'll just let him go. But yeah, on the frog, that's my biggest one today. Probably it could be a PB too. So get the frog out. One more shot before he goes home. Ew. Oh my god. When it hit the water.
Oh, he's wrapped you up good.
How was that as soon as it hit the water? Seems decent too. Oh, he's alright. He's pretty good. Look at the frog, it's coming up the line like the big one as well. Fishing doesn't get much better than this. He's a dark one, yeah. It's good. Another stonker, 2 in a row. Boys, look at this. I can't get over that. Straight in the corner of the mouth. On a big 40 to 50, another beautiful fish. Doesn't get much better than that. Phew. Send this guy off. Bailey did just say there's another stonker there. There's a little one. He's tiny. That's going to be my smallest one on the frog.
Very first cast after the last one.
2 out of 2 casts. Can we get a hat trick? Look at that, smallest bass I've ever caught. Oh, he broke it. Right, let's go. We just finished up fishing. It's about 6 in the afternoon now, so we fished from about 2 to 6, 4 hours. It was absolutely insane session. So I think Bailey ended up about
8, 9.
8, yeah, 8 or 9. I managed, I think 8 as well, but the 2 big ones at the end, Bailey wasn't fishing. So I reckon it's kind of a draw between the frog and the cicada. You know, if you suck at casts like me, you want the frog because you hardly ever get snagged, and when you do get snagged, you can kind of just flick it off. The hookups on the frog, obviously because it's a weedless hook, aren't as good. They have to actually eat it properly, and once they do eat it properly, it's a good hookup. But I reckon the frog swims better than the cicada, but the cicada's got trebles. All they have to do is kind of touch the treble and they're hooked. But then if you land in a tree, you snag. They are more expensive than the frogs. You get 4 frogs in a plastic packet. So yeah, it depends if you want to spend more money. They're both going to work, and today's probably just good with the rain. Everything just went good. It's up to you guys if you want to use a frog or a cicada. They're both going to do the trick. We probably could have chucked spoons at them today and still made them eat. So yeah, awesome little challenge. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more challenges like this.
And who won?
Yeah, let us know who you reckon won. I lost a big cracker at the start. All in all, an awesome session. Thanks Bailey for coming.
All good.
If you like this episode, hit the thumbs up, hit the comment and hit the subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Ew.
Oh. Ow! A leech on me. Yeah. Get off of me, buddy. Ah, yuck. Got me good. Oh, look at all of them. What the hell? There's like 5 on me.
Pretty sure this is like where I caught my PB at. Oh, I got a leech on me too.
I had 5 on me. I could see him pulling up my legs and I had one on my hip.
Ugh. That's massive. Yuck.
I got sting now.
Really? Where is it?
Different